morning everyone. Today we will do skill 2, rotations and flipping image. What is the meaning of rotation and rotating? Rotations means move. A circular movement of an object around the center of a rotation is called rotating. The example of rotating is the planet Earth around the Sun. Earth around the Sun is the example of rotation. Now, what is the combined meaning of rotation image? Turn the images clockwise and anti-clockwise is the example of rotation image. Rotate the images like up, down, left and right. Okay? So this is called a rotation. Normal, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270. The arrow shows the clockwise direction. Right to left. And anti-clockwise is clockwise is the same direction that hands of a clock movement. Anti-clockwise is the opposite direction the hand of a clock move. The object is shown opposite side, the image is shown, image is rotate, opposite side is called a rotation image, rotate image. Then second is flipping. What is the meaning of flipping? Put it motion with the sudden is called a flipping. And what is the meaning of flipping image? Image that is generated by mirror is called a flipping image. The best example is mirror. For example, see, the object is opposite side is called a flipping image. Object is put into another side is called a flip. See? Mirror is the best example of flipping image. Next is bottle flipping. See? To mirror or flip an image. Second is mirror flip horizontal. The best example is coin. Next example is a snap of a finger and thumb. A snap of finger and thumb is the example of flipping image. Rotation and flipping image. When you create and import an image, you may want to rotate or flip it. You can use this skill to create interesting To flip an image, you first need to make sure that you have selected the image. When you have selected the image, you can click on the rotate button. You will now able to see that you can flip the image vertical or horizontal. The vertical line is one that is drawn from the top to the bottom on a page. When you flip an image vertical, It is like turning the image so that the bottom of the image is now the top. See, this is the example of vertical flipping. Top to bottom and bottom to top. Now the second example of horizontal flipping. Horizontal flipping will work like mirror. The object is opposite side. Right to left and left to right. Clear everyone? Now first click on File tab and click on Open. Then import the image. Now click on Rotate option button and now rotate 90. Rotate 90 left. Rotate 80. Flip up, vertical down, vertical up, vertical down, horizontal. Clear to everyone? I hope you understand the topic rotation and flipping image. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.